You want a peanut? Do you want a peanut? Do you want a peanut? I'm right here. Do you want a peanut? You too? Here, you want a peanut? That's not nice. That's not nice. I'm right here. That's not nice.
What did it say?
Kicking sick. Here, come here, pretty birdie. Here. I'm not putting my fingers in any more than that. Hello. Well, here.
I like that one.
You're rude.
I like that one.
Here, have a chew. You want a peanut? Do you want a peanut? You want a peanut? What's the matter?
Do you know Sophie's under there?
Okay. You want a peanut? I got a peanut. You want a peanut? Look at all the gadgets she's got for these friggin' things, eh? You want a peanut? I got a peanut. You want a peanut? You want a peanut? Oh, you like the peanuts. Look at this, Jordan.
I know Melissa's bird does the same thing.
You want a peanut? You're ignorant. Hey! Shh! Peekaboo. 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 Oh, I'm getting a fucking headache from that thing. Tammy says she lets them out and they sit on her shoulders when she's doing dishes.
Knock on the door. She got a light in here? Who's there?